Motion is a premium, high-end, all-in-one time management app. It's packed with powerful tools like one-click calendar and meeting scheduler. It's kind of like having a personal virtual assistant in your computer to help you organize your schedule and stay productive. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shu. I've reviewed many productivity tools before, but Motion is a hidden gem that I think is going to be an essential tool for many people. Motion is perfect for you if you're looking for a more advanced scheduler than Calendly and Woven, and if you're trying to get more time for deep work rather than spending time on organizing meetings. The first thing I love about Motion is that you can open your calendar with just one click anywhere on your computer. Instead of having to find your calendar app and open it many times in a day, you can just tap Option C to see your schedule. What I love is that you can sync multiple calendars. Like many people, I have different calendars for work and personal life in Google and Outlook. In Motion, you can add as many calendars as you want and see all of them in one place and toggle them however you like. You can easily create an event by dragging on your calendar. This is great if you want to do time blocking like me. For example, create a block for a break and you can invite your friend if you want. And if you get an urgent task and need to move an action to a different time, you can simply click the action and find another time. Then Motion will highlight available time slots and you just have to pick one. If you're the kind of person who have lots of meetings, Motion makes it really easy to find the best times for them. When you tap Show Best Times to Meet, it will highlight the available time slots in your schedule. Then you can just click one of them to create an event. To make scheduling even easier, Motion lets you see the schedules of your colleagues or friends side by side. This way, it's super easy to find the times that work for everyone. Again, you can use the Show Best Time to Meet button to see available slots and choose from the list. So let's say you're trying to schedule a Zoom call with your colleague. With Motion, you can just tap Option A to open the scheduler. Here you have a few options. You can simply choose Copy Link and then paste the booking link in your email, which your colleague can use to schedule a meeting. This is similar to other scheduling apps like Calendly and Woven. But the problem with this is some people find it rude to get a link like this and have to schedule a meeting for you. So to avoid that risk, a better option is to write a message with your available times. To craft a message, just pick the date and times you want to have a meeting. Personally, I hate having meetings in the morning, so I set the time range to be between 1 PM and 7 PM. Then Motion will automatically pick 3 available time slots for you. Now you can just copy this message and paste it in your email or message. Or you can pick times manually too. You can drag to select time slot, which will be included in your message. Also, what's great about Motion is that it lets you see the times in different time zones. Most of my meetings is with people from other countries, so being able to compare the time zones, this easily saves you from doing some maths every time you try to schedule an international meeting. I think this scheduler is the biggest strength of Motion. It has very sophisticated features that would benefit many people, but also with a beautiful design. Motion makes it really easy to protect your time for important activities like time for deep work and exercise using something called intelligent events. I think of them like flexible time blocking. Let's say you want to have lunch sometime between 1 and 3 PM. Motion blocks the time for lunch in the window, but if you get an important meeting at the same time, it will automatically move the time block to a different time in the window. Also, if your schedule is full of fragmented times like this, it will try to create a big chunk of time for deep work. It's really useful if you want to ensure that important tasks and actions are always included in your schedule, no matter how busy you get. Personally, I have multiple things that I definitely want to include in my daily schedule, like 3 hours of deep work and exercising. But let's say I want to meditate every day. I can create a flexible event for meditation and select a time window and ideal time. Since I want to meditate first thing in the morning, I set the ideal time to be 8 AM. By creating this time window, Motion will make sure no one will schedule a meeting at 8 a.m. But if you do get an important meeting at the same time, it will automatically move the block to sometime between 8 and 10 a.m. This way, Motion makes sure you always have time for important actions every day. I find it very helpful to have flexible time blocks like this because I always forget to do things like meditation because I get carried away with other tasks and meetings. Alright, that was the 3 cool things you can do with Motion, but actually there are lots more things you can do with this tool, so I recommend you should try and see it yourself. You can get a free trial from the link in the description. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!